Okay, so first night went away, 600, saying it went well.
Yeah, so Sunday, Hickman TT, day one, the 29th of May 2022. Went well actually, yeah, not too bad at all. We had glorious weather for the Ironman, brilliant. Blue skies, sunshine, quite warm. First set off on the Superstock bike, the Gas Monkey by FHO Racing Superstock bike. Bike worked mint. I obviously rode it in the northwest, so I kind of knew it was going to be okay. Steady away really. I think I did 126 mile an hour, something like that. I was happy enough with that. I was just kind of not cruising, but not trying to run before I can walk. We then went out on the Superbike, slight electronic issue right from the get-go, which was a little bit unfortunate. So managed to nurse her home and got her back, but I think we figured out what it is now. It's taken a bit of time actually overnight to work out exactly what had gone wrong with it, but we think we've now got that sorted. So I went back out on the Stocker again, another 126 mile an hour lap from a standing start and a short lap. And then I went out on the Trooper Triumph, K2 Trooper Triumph by PHR Performance, which has all been built by ourselves. In fact, the boys are working on it right now behind me. Bike worked awesome. Never even sat on the thing. Brand fire new. No problems at all. We were a little bit under geared, so I was having to roll off the throttle in 6th gear because we were hitting the limiter on basically every straight. It was a bit of a guess for us because obviously we've not ridden it before, so we didn't really know. But apart from that, actually the bike worked really, really well. I think I ended up third on it, 122.9 mile an hour, something like that. I only did 2 laps on it. So yeah, really, really happy with that. Like I say, it was a bit of a guess, first go on it. Happy enough. Missed out on riding the pattern by about 3 minutes when I came back in from riding the Super Sport, so didn't get out on that. Well, I sat on it and rode it to the line, and then they told me no. So yeah, they told me I was too late. So that's as much as I've ridden the pattern. But overall, day one, really happy.
How are you feeling? Because that's a lot of laps here. Was that 6 laps?
I did 6 laps, yeah. Oh, no problem at all. Yeah, I could have done more than that. No worries.
And the plan tonight?
Good question. Not made one yet. No lightweight tonight. I'll probably set off on the Superbike, just try and make sure that's all sorted. Get a couple of laps in on that if I can do. Then do another lap on the Stocker and then probably look at the Super Sport.
Cool.